What is up, YouTube? Today I day traded $1,200 in profit today from what I've been preaching, a fair value gap. Now today we're going to look at Nvidia, the stock I usually trade, and I'm looking at it from the hour time view. So this is a good example of the higher the time frame, the more likely that it is going to be correct. So the hour time frame, I'm going to draw a fair value gap. Right here at the beginning of yesterday, everything flew up. It was good earnings and it created a fair value gap right here. There's a wick right here to the left and a wick to the right of this big green candle. So I'm going to draw that out and drag it all through here. And as you can see, perfectly consolidated into that fair value gap today. This is a new day. This black means yesterday trading day. This black means today, the August the 5th. So market opened. I'm going to go to the 5-minute time view. So each candle's 5 minutes. Market opened today, and yesterday was so green. I'm thinking in my head, there's going to be profit taking. And as you can see, pre-market, there's some selling off right before the stock market opens. So this was a little fake out. It goes up here and it goes back down, continuing this downtrend here. So you don't want to bet that it's going up if there is a downtrend here. So in my mind, I'm thinking, all right, I know there is a nice fair value gap here from yesterday. And yes, it does move on from yesterday all the way to today, as long as it hasn't been taken out yet, meaning as long as it hasn't gone from here and it didn't go in here and take out the fair value gap and then go up here. No, there's nothing that has been touched. Nothing touched the fair value gap since yesterday. So it's still fair play. So I know it's going to want to consolidate. It is a price magnet and it goes right into the fair value gap and just touches the very bottom of it. I mean, you can't make it up. It's not coincidence. It just proof that this fair value gap stuff is a real thing. And what I did is right here, when I know it was going to keep going down right here, I made a put option to bet that it's going to go down into this fair value gap. So I made some money off of Nvidia puts, as you can see right here, Nvidia puts, buys. And then at the very end right here, when it hit this bottom and I have a feeling it's going to go back up, I bought some Nvidia calls to make some money. So I'm up $1,200 for the day. It was a quick day. It was very obvious. All you have to do is know how this fair value gap stuff works, and you can use it every day. And all other techniques, if you want, you could have used the fair value gap or the Fibonacci technique as well. As you can see, go up here to down here, and it's going up to the 50% mark, and it's going to go down here. So now it might be a good time to buy some puts here, as it's going to probably keep going down here. My opinion on the stock market is that it is overbought, meaning that a flash crash can happen at any time. I mean, like a quick 5, 10, 15, 20% dump in a span of days or a week. So you have to be careful buying the top of this stock market. It's overbought. There's a lot of bad news coming out with tariffs, and the data is suggesting that these tariffs make a difference when it comes to the consumer, when it comes to inflation, when it comes to the interest rates, all that stuff. So be very careful. Any data, any text or tweet from Trump or Elon Musk can drop this thing 5, 10, 15% at any minute. So just be cautious, be aware, know the market, know what you're looking at, be in and out if you need to, or just trim some profits off now and wait for some support marks or some nice buys to get in when it's at a discount. Thanks for tuning in. Keep watching to see what I'm buying, to see how I'm maneuvering this market so you can too make money on the daily. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.